Today I'm teaching you how to make caramel sauce. Basically, because we needed to decorate these cupcakes. And so basically what you do is you just put granulated sugar. You put half a cup of sugar. I think it's 100 grams, yeah. You put on low heat. And then like fully low. Not that or anything. Low. And then you just keep mixing until it became this type. So I'll just keep mixing and I'll show you guys how it's meant to look. Okay, so you have to leave it there and don't be dumb and use this like I used it, and then guess what, it like melted. So it got stuck to the thingy. It got stuck to this and it started melting. But yeah guys, this has to become a liquid. As you can see, it is working, but there's still some bits. So as you can see, it is kind of working. So it's gonna keep mixing. And guys, as I said in the, well, like I normally say, I have got a lot of videos to upload. Guys, so I'll put the butter in and you have to mix rapidly, and then it'll start making noises. Oh wait, this is... Oh, maybe it was the dog. Oh guys, I really didn't burn, but we're putting that double cream. Hopefully it works. Okay, so this is what it's meant to look like. Hopefully. And as you can see, this is meant to be like this. Okay, so I put the fridge to refrigerate to cool. So yeah, we're gonna take it after like we're done, kind of.